and I am driving in my Audi S4 to our annual fundraising car show. Not that my car's in it, but 108 entries into our fundraising car show, Cars and Coffee. There's a car that was probably there, pretty sick, that all benefits our cancer center and basically our patient cancer support fund. So anyways, I'm gonna roll on in and check out some of these cars. Not all 108 of them, but I'll showcase some of the coolest ones. All right, let's get into it. Vintage vet, jeez. Whew. Sheesh. Who wouldn't want to drive that? Jeez. So sick. Some of these cars are just wow. Holy heck. The 06. Whether you like the vet or not, sorry, it's a pretty sick car, pretty sick. Vintage 240Z, got a Saline Mustang. We have over here. Appreciating the vintage cars. This is a pretty cool collection. You know, every year we have a pretty huge parade and some of these come out and they're just, restoration is unreal on these. It's a pretty cool event, I'm not gonna lie. All right, so short and sweet. As you can imagine, it's a local event, so I ran into a few people and couldn't film too much, but I wanted just short snippets of all the cars that were there. This particular county, I mean, we had 108 entries, which I think is down from last year. I think we had a few more in the 130s, but there's a lot of cars in this county, a lot of collectors. You saw, I tried to kind of snap all of them sort of lined up in one form or fashion, videoed some of the cooler ones, but pretty cool event. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love car events. Go and just chat with people about the history of some of the cars, where they got it, how it was handed down, how they restored it, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Until next time, guys, appreciate you tuning in. Guys Talking Cars, take care.